I wanted somewhere that was close to home, and so I'd picked out 3 or 4 between here and the Port Adelaide area, and it was actually the reception that I got on the phone, the feeling that I got on the phone. Semaphore South made me feel part of the community straight away. That like, yep, no, we will make this work. So yeah, made a big difference. It's an amazing, inclusive community. The educators here are truly amazing. Bella has a lot of therapists that come here. They work so hands-on with our therapists, and they go above and beyond and implementing the strategies and exercises and that the therapists recommend. I really don't think she'd be where she's at if it wasn't for the carers and educators that she had here. My husband and I are obviously grandparent carers. We have Bella full-time. We have the added complexity of her condition, her genetic condition. And all our families are extremely old. She is permanently 3 days, but quite often we'll have a casual day and it'll be 4 days, so between 3 and 4 days a week. So really this is the only respite we can get as grandparent carers. She loves it. She loves all the kids. On the days that she has home, she gets fed up with me. I'm not nearly as entertaining or as hands-on, you know, but and she's come on leaps and bounds. I find that even with disability, she will mimic a lot of other children her age, which she wouldn't get if she was just in the home environment.